Hey, Redwood City homeowners, are you curious about what's going on in the real estate market? This is your market update. Everyone's a little curious about what's going on in the greater economy and how that's affecting the real estate market. So let's dive right in and take a look. Here is what's going on with real estate pricing in Redwood City. As you can see, pricing here is on a little bit of an upswing, but overall, it hasn't really moved too much, just kind of going from left to right. As you can see, there's some fluctuations up and down a little bit, but overall, pretty stable. So what's the trend right now? Well, let's take a look at that list to sales price ratio. Homes right now are generally selling about 110% of asking price, which means they're selling over asking, and it's on a bit of an upswing. So now is actually a good time to take advantage and make that move if you were planning on doing anything. How long is our home taking to sell though? Let's take a look at that. And the correlation here jives with the graph we just looked at. Days on market are down, list to sales price ratios are up, which means that buyer demand is still out there. Homes are selling in, generally speaking, less than 20 days and over asking price. Now, the big question is what's going to be happening in the market moving ahead? Now, this is really interesting. The prediction at the end of last year of 2024 was that interest rates are going to be dropped about 4 times in 2025, and that inflation was going to come down pretty fast. But that obviously hasn't happened. New administration came in, we're looking at tariffs, inflation, if anything, hasn't really moved, and we're only looking at potentially 1 to 2 interest rate cuts from the experts at this point instead of that 4 that we were looking at. And if anything, that's going to be towards the end of the year. Now, eventually, inflation will probably get under control at some point this year as we move ahead, making 2026 looking like you're seeing more aggressive price appreciation. Right now, as you can see, things are moving pretty much left to right. You've seen some mild appreciation here and there, but overall, things really haven't changed all that much. And I think that's going to generally continue over the next at least short term and potentially 1 to 2 years. But let's take a look next month and see what happens. And if you're thinking about making a move and want to know what's going on or plan, feel free to give me a call anytime. My number's right here, and I can make sure you get on the right track. Look forward to hearing from you.